complete. Okay, so you have given equations, these equations. Okay. What did they ask? They asked us to find out A, B.
Okay.
Okay. So to get A, B, what all you have to do? You have to just like
Make
first
two
you have
simultaneous
you have to
equations.
write the equation, then open the brackets to get these values. Okay, so
Yeah.
because roots are given, so the general equation you assume y is equal to A x minus 3
and x minus
x minus 5. So y is equal to A x square minus
8x
8x minus 15
plus 15.
plus 15. Agree? So plus 15. Now, what all we have to do? We have to find out the value of A.
Yeah.
To get A, you don't use these points, use any third point. Third
30.
point is given 0, 30. So x is this 30 means x is 0, y is 30.
Yeah.
So you'll write here 30 is equal to A 0 minus 0 plus 15. So 30,
So A equals to 2.
30 over 15 is equal to A. So A is equal to 2. So equation is y is equal to 2 bracket x square minus 8x plus 15. So y is equal to 2 x square minus 16x plus 30.
Which is the same form they asked us to.
So A is what? We comparing. So actually it was y is equal to A.
Y is equal to 2.
AX square plus BX plus 30. ठीक है?
Yeah, so it's correct.
So A is equal to 2. B is equal to
minus 16.
minus
16.
16. Very good.
16.
B is equal to minus 16.
The formula is
Ah,
x minus A and x minus B. So,
yeah.
so what is A and B in that?
See, there are three type of equations that we know: ax minus alpha, x minus beta, and then was ax square plus bx plus c, y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus.
Oh, this is a different A. I thought that.
So these are
this
like
is
three different type of equations. Since root were given, so used the root one. And out of that root is 3 and 5. So this is 3, this one is 5.
Okay, so this is the root one, this is the regular one, and this is
the vertex one.
vertex. So if they give you any two
alpha and beta are the
vertices,
roots, right?
Beta?
alpha and beta are the x-intercepts, no? Basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, roots. Yeah.
So any two vertices you'll get.
Huh.
H is equal to minus b by a, right? In this third one.
Huh.
Okay.
To understand this, so if the equation like this, then you got AB, you can compare and get ABC. Okay? Any problem in this? No. Now they do the second question. In the second question, what you have given? This is the equation given to you. Okay? What did they ask? The curve intersect at Y at A and vertex at B. So by looking at this, can you get these 2 points? ठीक है, calculate the maximum height. Means when you say maximum height, what are you trying to find out?
Maximum height.
Y value when x is?
When x is the h, when x is h, so minus b by a. Yeah, so it's the answer is the x of the vertex is 2. So maximum height is 7. 7 meters.
Here x value you can get it from the equations. The x value of the vertex is what? Minus b over 2a.
2a, yeah.
So minus 2a. So minus b means minus 4 over 2a is minus 1, not 3. Agree?
Yeah.
So that way x is 2. So this value is 2. So if you want to get corresponding y value, you have to substitute x value into the original equations.
Yeah. So we
3
get 7.
plus 4 into 2
Yeah.
minus 2 square. 3 plus this is what? 8 minus 4.
Minus 4, 7.
7. So this value is what? 7.
After that, horizontal distance is basically 0 to whatever the farthest.
Find the horizontal distance covered. So means they're asking here to here.
So that will
This
be
distance.
2
So
plus.
out of
In this question written from the top of the wall, if you throw it, then it's the flat horizontal ground.
Huh.
Suppose it says calculate the distance between the x-intercepts.
Then you have to find out the x-intercepts, na? Because there is no, because when
it's
you
2
throw
plus
up, then
root
that
7.
is the 0 time, na? You're throwing that side, na?
So, but if there's no from the top of the wall mentioned, if it's just from flat ground to ground,
then that would be the parabola. So
that would be the parabola. Will we still consider the negative part, or will we just consider the difference between the x-intercepts?
whenever you have to find out, then we have to find out difference between these 2 points. These 2 points.
Because yesterday in the 3 by 10 one, there was a similar question, but it wasn't mentioned from the top of the wall.
But depending on question only, when you're throwing something, you find out root distance between roots. Those are other concepts. So when you're throwing here and you find out how far it went from this, so means this distance.
Okay.
But when you're throwing from the ground, then this would be the distance. Agree?
Okay.
So here we have to find out x-intercept of that. To get x-intercept, you have to plug in y is 0. Because at that point, what is 0? Y is 0. So 0 is equal to what? 3 plus 4x minus x square. So factor out minus. So x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x minus nahin, galat hai. So you have to use the formula to get the x.
Yeah, I use the formula.
X
So
is minus
the
b,
square.
so minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. B square means 16 minus 4ac. Minus 4ac means
plus 12.
plus 12. Okay,
Upon
divided
2.
by 2.
Upon
So,
minus 2.
minus 2. So you'll have minus 4 plus minus square root of 28 by
We only take
minus 2.
plus.
So you'll take only minus because this minus cancel out with this minus. Agree?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so you will take plus, then it will remain. This is more than 4. Agree?
Right.
That will remain here. So you have to take minus only. So minus 4 and minus 2 root 7 over minus 2. ठीक है, so 2 factor out and cancel out. So you will get
2 plus root 7. 2 minus root
2,
7.
2
2
plus
plus
root
root
7.
7.
So this is
Yeah.
2 plus root 7. If you will take here plus, then you root 7. This value is root 7 minus 2. Agree?
Yeah.
Understand? So this you don't have to take because from here you thrown to this distance. This distance is 2 plus root 7. So the find the horizontal distance from the base is this. So if you throw something from here, then this would be the horizontal distance.
So the horizontal distance is 2 root 7.
2 root 7.
Okay.
Okay. So you understand this also? Very good.
Yeah, so I didn't understand like the factor thing at all. Like factor x. No, not this. Down.
ठीक है? तो ये
This
वाला
f bracket x.
which one? Which one you talking about?
Function. No, go down. Get the function part.
This one?
Yeah, function.
अच्छा चल let's consider. So f of x, see the equations of the line of symmetry f of x is x equal to 1.75. So 1.75.
So 1.7 is the average of the x-intercepts.
So this is ठीक है. Now they said axis of symmetry, something like this, na?
Yeah.
And this is positive, so left side. So try to write in fraction, then writing in decimal. So it would be in the fraction what? 3.5 divided by 2.
So 7 by 4.
175 upon
7 by
100 to
4 is the
25
x value. Agree? And
Yeah,
then
7
they
by
said
4.
use the information below, find the value of a and b, and you have one root, which one is minus 2. ठीक है? 0. So y value is anyway 0 here, no?
Yeah.
So minus 2 0, and then other y, see you have to find out a and b, so you have to get equation.
So,
Once
so
you
it
get
will be x is equal to minus b upon 2a. So basically that is equal to 1.7.
so that would give one equation. So minus b over 2a is equal
equal to
to
1.
7 by 4, no beta? So this cancel out to 2. So minus 2b is equal to 7a.
Yeah.
Okay?
So I did it
Yeah.
in decimals. I did minus b
Don't
is
try
equal
to
to
write because IOQ AMC you have to write in the fraction, not decimal. Okay? So anyway,
Oh.
this is one equation. Second equation, what you saying, like what you have to do, you see how far it is from here, this root. Tell me how far it is.
So even I don't understand the meaning of like the word function. Like, why is the F there?
F of x function, sometimes you call it y because this
Yeah.
function is depending on x
Okay.
value. So this y value is depending on x value. So sometimes you write the word function, sometimes you write the y. Okay, so both
Okay.
are same. Now you look at
So,
what distance it is from here. So 7 by 4 plus 2, agree?
Yeah.
So 4 into 4, so 15 by 4. So,
yeah,
so this distance is 15 by 4.
which means it'll be 15 by 4 the other
So
side.
see, this is equidistance from the other root is going to be 15 by 4, 15 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Agree? So 22 by 4. Okay?
Yeah, so 11 by 3.
So 11 by
2.
2. So when I write into the factor from what I'll write here, a x minus
Yeah.
1.
How can it be 15 by 4? Won't it split it into two parts? So one will be 7 by 8 and the other will also be 7 by 8.
No. You see from here, Ritvik, this distance is what from here to here? Isn't 15 by 4? This minus this. Okay? Agree? So this is
Yeah.
equidistance from that. So this distance is also from here to here is same thing. What is that distance?
Okay.
15 by 4 only, no?
Yeah.
So it was
Yeah.
7 by 4. So this is x value 7 by 4. So you want to go ahead 15 by 4, then you have to add in this x value to find out that x value. Agree?
Yeah.
Anushka, did you understand?
Yeah.
So the other root is this. So then you write into factor from this, and then you write x,
Minus y.
what it was,
Okay.
22 by
22 by 4. No, 11 by 2, no? 11 by 2.
11 by 2. So if you open it up, like you look into the constant only, this into this, agree? Minus, what will you get here? Minus,
So if first you
minus AC. You multiply this and this, that would give you constant, no? Understand? So
Yeah.
this value 22 is after multiplying all and then looking into the constant. This multiply, so you will get here a x plus 2. Okay? If you multiply this here, so it will be give you what? X minus 11 by 2. Understand?
Yeah, that was the same thing.
Yeah, that's same thing. Just multiply these two. First look into constant. This into this will give minus 11. Okay?
Yeah.
And then there will be something x and then ax square also. Okay?
Yeah.
So you multiply here, then a also get multiplied. So this into this would give constant.
Yeah.
And what value is that constant?
22.
So a has to be what?
Minus 2.
A is what?
Minus 2.
Agree? A, what did you get?
Minus
Minus 2. And you have A, B relation. A is
Yeah.
minus 2. So minus 2 B is equal to 7 into
minus 2. So minus 14.
minus
7.
2. So B is equal to
E is
what?
equal to 7.
7.
Understand?
Yeah.
So it was good question. You have to find out
Yes,
that
sir.
you just these roots are equidistant from that. And word function means same thing as y. Because this value is changing as x changes. So sometimes we write y, sometimes we write function. Okay, do this one.
So can we consider function x to be y?
Beta.
Can we
Obviously,
always, no? So
it is the
Yeah.
same.
In the IB language or add math language, we write here y. ठीक है? ठीक है, और ये वाला जो है ये है, तो ये वाला जो है इसमें देख लो.
should we solve this?
हाँ, we can do that.
मैं किया मैं वापस कर लेते हैं.
The quadratic function f is given by this. See the point itne lies on the f of x. ठीक है? So which point lies on the, just try to draw and locate the points. Which point? 0,
5.
0, 5 is here, and minus 4, 5. So minus 4 is x value, 5. So minus
So
4,
we got
5.
that.
These are two
So that
values.
symmetry will be
ठीक है?
minus 2.
अब now
Yeah.
curve either will be a downward parabola or upward parabola, but will pass through these 2 points.
Yeah.
Axis of symmetry, if this y value is same,
Minus
then
2.
average of the x values is
Minus
the
2.
axis of symmetry. So x is equal to minus 2 is the axis of symmetry.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Now here you can clearly see if this is the curve equation, this is y intercept is 5.
What's the
So
question?
this has to be 5. Agree? ठीक है?
Oh,
So if
yeah.
the hypotenuse of
Yeah.
the minimum of the graph
हाँ
is 3, it
मतलब
means
it will be downward
yeah,
parabola, not
downward
upward parabola. So parabola from the information will be downward parabola,
Downwards. Yeah.
like this. And
No,
x
no, this
value,
is upward.
nahi,
The
but
one.
they said minimum value, na. The minimum, they said like write down the
Yeah.
value of C,
The one
But the
you've
minimum
drawn is
value
five,
is
na,
the vertex is on the lowest point.
lowest
no,
point.
like sir, the one you've drawn is the upper, upper parabola.
This is upward
No.
parabola, beta. So
Yeah.
minimum, this is the minimum. Otherwise, y value is
Yeah.
the more higher and then infinity,
Yeah.
na. So,
Yeah.
so then x value we found out by taking average of the x value. What was the x value here, beta? Average of these two x values. So
X is equal
-4
to 2.
plus 0 by
-2.
2. So -2. So
Minus
x
2
value is -2 here.
7.
B by 2a. Minus 2 is equal to minus B by 2a.
नहीं, अब फिर तुझे देखो that information we got it. Now what else they are? Write down the value of C. C we got it. Find the quadrant. The minimum. See this point you have given. This point is what? Isn't -2 comma 3? Okay.
Yeah.
So if you know any parabola's vertex, so then how will you write equation of the quadratic equation of that? ठीक है.
So you can write it in the form h h
So
minus c whole square.
-4 comma 0. -4 comma -2 comma it was 3.
Is the lowest point, which is minus B by
ठीक
2a.
है, तो इक्वेशन इज
four
y इज इक्वल टू a x minus h whole square
plus k.
plus k. So
K is the
y is
vertex,
y
right?
is
Or
equal
the-
to a, ठीक है, a x plus 2 whole square plus 3. Agree?
Yeah.
You can plug in
So
any
H and K are the
h.
The
See,
X and Y of
X and
if
Y
you
of
have
the
a
vertex.
x minus
Yeah.
h whole square plus k, then this is h comma k.
Yeah.
Agree?
Got it.
So now we have to get a. To get a, we can't put this point, any other point we could put. You can put this point and this or this point to get the value. So better way is to put this point.
Yeah.
0 comma 5. So 5 is equal to a 0 plus 2 whole square plus 3.
So 5 is equal to 4a plus 2.
5 minus 3
Is equal to
over
4a.
4 is
Yeah.
equal to a.
So
So
2 by 4, so 1 by 2. So
2
a is
by
0.5.
4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to
0a. So
a.
0.5.
So half.
Yeah.
So equation actually is y is equal to half x plus 2 whole square plus 3. Agree?
Yeah.
So out
Yeah.
of that, what we have to get a,
So
b?
3 नहीं 5.
5 था?
नहीं sorry 3
3 था ना, vertex वाला.
vertex वाला हाँ 3.
Three.
So now we can find the.
Now you open and compare, no?
So y is equal to 1 by 2 x squared plus 2x plus 5.
So this you will get y is equal to half, then you will get x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 3. So half x square plus 2x plus 2
5
plus 3. So
Yeah, so
half x square plus 2x
plus
plus 5.
plus 5.
5
So,
is
हाँ,
the y-intercept, so it's
हाँ.
correct.
It's correct. You can open the bracket and check it. You can draw that and see whether these points comes inside or not. So you can, there are many ways of verifying. So we finish fourth question. Okay. Now fifth
No,
question.
we didn't find B, no?
We can compare now better, na? The B is, we can see it here, B is 2, no?
You can just finish the quadratic.
So this A is half, B is 2, C is 5, no?
Yeah.
Now first
So
question.
C is always the y-intercept, right?
हाँ.
But what if the parabola is a horizontal parabola? Then it's the x
हाँ.
there. Okay.
ठीक है. अब fifth one का क्या करना? The graph of quadratic equation y-intercept is 10 and one of the x-intercept is 1.
A is 10. C is equal to 10.
We can work on that. So if one of like y-intercept is 10, ठीक है? One of x-intercept is 1. So the curve will, one of x-intercept is 1 means right side, no, this side.
Yeah.
So it will
Yeah,
go
one
right.
root.
One root. It
So
can't
the
be
root
upward.
will
No?
always be this side.
हाँ,
The root will
it
always
can't,
be this side.
नहीं, root is, one root is here.
Yeah.
The root can't be like, otherwise this will never touch that, no?
Yeah.
So one root is here, so the graph will go like this, no?
So the other,
Oh.
yeah,
Okay,
okay.
and
There's no other way around, no? You can't make like this, otherwise you go far, no?
So, but then the exponent of the vertex of the graph is 3.
Then it's a wrong
Yeah,
question.
that's what I thought yesterday. So I put
इसी
a
ऐसे नहीं हो सकता ना, वो -3 होएगा, चलो -3 करके करो, ये नहीं होएगा ना, नहीं तो काम ही नहीं करेगा ना।
मैंने
नहीं
question
हो सकता है।
नहीं, कैसे होएगा? एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ वर्टेक्स इस
आप
तरह जाएगा
ऐसे
तो
ड्रॉ
दूसरा,
कर
So the y,
एक
so the
सेकंड
x
से
intercept
annotate कर
will be
रहे थे,
1 and
वो
annotate
ऐसे भी
5.
तो हो सकता है, सही तो है, ये
Yeah,
1 होएगा,
1
ठीक
and
है,
5.
इधर तो 3 हो
ये
सकता
3
है,
होगा, वो 5 होगा।
That's
हाँ ठीक
fine.
है। सो ये 3 हुआ तो ये 5 हो जाएगा ना, 2 स्टेप अहेड ना,
हाँ
5। सो अब तो सब कुछ पता हो गया, वी कैन गेट इट ना, y इज इक्वल टू a x minus 1
X
x
minus
minus
5.
5 to get 8 passes through 10 0, so it passes through what point?
Passes through.
तो आप ये क्यों यूज कर रहे हो?
Yeah,
सिर्फ
1
एक
comma
रूट
0
में जा रहे हैं।
and 5 comma 0
हाँ,
and the point.
it passes through 0 comma 5 ना,
Yeah.
so 0 comma 5, so 5
Phi
is
is equal to
नहीं, passes
0.
through, ये नहीं डालो तो ये तो यूज कर लिया ना, जब भी ये यूज करा ना यहाँ पे, वी कांट पुट
10
दोज,
comma 0 डाल
10 comma 0
equals
डाला,
10
10
equals to
a 0 minus 1 0 minus 5, so a is 2, so y is equal to a x minus देव x minus
तो नहीं -1
2
x minus
x
5.
minus 1 and x minus 5,
हाँ।
ठीक है।
या
सो मैंने ये एक सेकंड पर मैंने ये सेम क्वेश्चन कल किया था, मुझे 12 इज इक्वल टू 0 आके एरर आया था।
नहीं तो कुछ गलत किया होगा इसमें, तो मतलब ऐसे हो सकते हैं ना दो साइड, क्योंकि इसने थोड़ी नहीं बोला कि एक ही साइड रूट होएगा, तो दोनों साइड रूट हो सकता है। अब x इक्वल टू 3 दिया तो आपको डिस्टेंस इज सेम ना, we got the question right. Now this, so this point is 0 comma 5,
And the other is 2 comma 9, so we can
Sir,
use
is this
the
the
form.
first worksheet that we're discussing?
second
no
one beta,
second.
first we didn't do, I think we'll do it later, so you
Yeah,
understand,
it's first is easy, second is tough.
first is easy, so
No,
first
but
I
like
will,
for one of for the 3-pager worksheet, I got for the third answer for B, I got it's not possible for the graph.
there are 1 2 questions purposely I made mistakes so that you can think whether actually this is resembles to the situation or not. So there are 2
So
questions where there resembles, there does not
I
resemble the
got one
situation.
question as mistake.
So you have to be come
yeah,
up with the
yeah,
rules है कि ये नहीं, ये
the
गलत
4
इन्फॉर्म
comma
है,
0 1.
इसीलिए मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन गलत दिए हैं उधर पे, ठीक है। कि तुम सोचो जरा, अभी ये वाला क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं, तो देखो ये हो गया, now what we have given b which top point is 2 comma 9,
So we can use the other form, the
so
third
you
form.
can use y is equal to a x minus 2 whole square plus 9,
Yeah.
ठीक है। so out of that what is given to you?
The coordinates, the y,
You can take
the y
the
intercept.
huh?
So you can use the y.
Y intercept.
So 5
Yeah,
is equal to
equals
a
to
bracket
a
minus 2
minus
square
2
to 4 plus 9.
Hmm.
So y is equal to 4 plus
4a plus 9.
13a. So
5 equals to 4a
5 is
plus
equal to
9.
13a. So a is equal to 5 by 13.
No, wait.
So you plug in any point, you
No,
plug in
that's
0
wrong.
comma
Wait.
5 na, this point you
Yeah,
can
so
plug in,
C is equal to 5.
5 is equal to a, ठीक है,
Minus
0 minus 2 whole square
2
plus
square.
9,
No, a equals to -1.
so हाँ नहीं, हाँ सही बोल रहा हो, -4 over 4 is a ना,
Yeah, a equals to -1.
-4, so
मैंने गलत ले
so
You
y
skip
is
the
equal,
plus 9.
y is equal to
लिया।
a x, a is what, -1 ना,
is equal
ये
to
तो आपने गलत किया है खुद।
-1 x minus 1 whole square, ठीक है,
x minus 1 कहाँ से आया सर?
x minus 2 सॉरी, ठीक है, whole square plus 9,
Plus 9, correct.
So
ठीक
how
है।
did you get -4.4?
तो इसको expand कर लेते ना?
हाँ,
5
because if
equals
you
to
write in
a.
this format, you can expand and compare ना, y is equal to minus x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 9,
उसको minus
so y is equal to minus x square
plus
plus
4x
4x
minus 4
minus 4
plus
plus 9,
5.
so y is equal to minus 4 minus
minus
x
x squared plus 4x minus plus 5.
Plus 5, yeah.
plus 5, you can compare with that.
हाँ,
So this is anyway matching,
get the
so C
So
is
it's
5, B
5
is
and
four,
minus
B is
1
4,
now.
C is
C is
5.
yeah.
So B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5.
Now we need to convert it into that form.
Now you have to factorize it. So open, so this you can factorize it, and then if you can see it, otherwise you have to use. 3, 5. You can't do directly, na?
We'll have to first convert
You
it
use the
to.
formula.
We'll have to convert it to no.
We have to factorize. No,
We
factorize the
we
because
can. Yeah, we can't do it.
You can't do, na? This is 5, 15.
No, 5.
5 to we can do it, na?
That's it.
No.
Minus x square plus 5x minus x plus 5.
Okay, right.
So
So
minus
right, this
x,
is minus.
x
Yeah.
minus 5 minus 1, x minus 5,
Yeah.
x minus 5 minus x minus 1. So understand?
And we
So
have to
you have
factor out the minus sign.
this minus, so x plus 1, x minus 5
X plus 5. X plus 5, no, sir?
minus 5. This won't change. This minus you factor out
X
and keep it
minus
here.
one.
It's minus 1.
Because you have to keep it here minus. So
Yeah.
x minus
Yeah.
5, x
X
plus 1.
Yeah. So P and Q is 1.
Yeah.
ये वाला मुझे नहीं आया सर
कौन सा?
7th वाला तो ये हो सकता है वेबसाइट में जाकर चेक करो
We know the value of B and C, no? And then we also know another point.
So we could put
We also know a point.
minus
X
5 is
2,
equal to 5.
F of 2 is minus 5. So
Plus-
minus 5 is equal to 5 f of 2.
minus 5
Minus
5
2
minus 2
plus
4
a minus plus minus minus plus 2 whole square. Agree?
Hmm.
So minus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4a. So minus 8 is equal to 4a. So a is equal to minus 2. That is why we use the word function, because when you have to see so corresponding x value to write this way. So f of x, what did we get? 5 minus x minus 2x square.
So eventual equation would be
So
minus
X.
2 squared. So axis of symmetry, if we need to find
Then x is equal to minus b over
x
2a.
intercepts, no?
No,
Yeah.
it did say find out the axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry.
Okay.
So minus b means
So-
plus 1 over 2. A is minus 2. Agree?
So,
So
Yeah.
1 over
by
4.
1 by
minus 4. Minus
But no,
4.
it's always absolute value, no?
No. X is not absolute value. 1 minus 4. Okay?
Yeah.
So minus 4.
Minus 1 by 4. So we do the range क्या होता है सर?
रुक जा, ये समझ में आया ना?
हाँ.
अभी range, this is opening downward parabola, upward parabola. Tell me.
So
This is
value says opening downward parabola because a is negative. Agree? So
हाँ.
this is
Yeah.
like this. So here x value,
Wait, so if A is negative, then it's a downward parabola.
is downward parabola.
So yeah.
Not always, no?
Yeah, always. ठीक है?
Can't A at the vertex would be negative?
It be like it does not matter. A negative means opening downward parabola.
Okay.
Yeah.
X value is what here? 2.
Minus
Y value is what here?
Minus 1.
5.
So x
Minus
is
1 up.
Huh?
how is x
So what are you trying to find here? Like,
No.
what
the
point is
random
that?
Are you understand? Minus 1 by 4 is the x value. No, in that.
Yeah. Yeah.
We
This
have
is
to
the
get
vertex.
corresponding y value. So x value
Plug it
here,
into the
x
equation.
value is minus 1 by 4. You plug in here minus 1 by 4.
Oh, yeah.
5
Then
minus plus 1 by 4 and minus 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 whole square. No?
Yeah, so
So 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 into 1
so
over
it's 1 by 4
16.
only. So minus
So
1 by
5 plus
So it's
1
5
by
only.
4 minus 1
by
by 8.
8.
Except
So into 2 into 2.
So what's the formula for finding the irradiance?
5 plus 1 upon 8, which is
so 5 plus 1 upon
41 upon
5
8.
plus 1 over 8. So
41 upon
41 over
8.
8. So this y value is 41 over 8. Now they said find range. No?
Range is just what you found.
Range means range of y values. Range, when the word use range means range of y values.
Right. So
Agree?
that means
So
equal
41 by 8
to or
over.
less than 41 upon 8. Equal to less than.
Yeah, equal to less than 41 upon 8 because 41 upon 8 is
Of
y value
vertex.
vertex.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
You skipped one.
हाँ
You skipped one. There's one above.
ये वाला
Yeah.
we did this one no?
Yeah, we just did this.
Oh, right.
This now, so we have given one this, and they said the vertex maximum value means vertex no,
The 0.5.
it is and half and 30 if you multiply 30
So this is my
one,
p is minus
1 by
5.
4 no. So see, this is from here to here equidistance no.
Not the p is minus 5.
So you what distance it is?
5.5.
5.5. So subtract 5.5 on this no?
5. Minus 5. Minus 5, 0.
So minus 5. So you get two factors also. Now what did they ask us? Find the coordinate of P. We got it.
I didn't
Given.
understand this. I didn't understand this.
So
We
see,
found the. It was given.
you see the distance from here to here is what?
5.5.
5 by
Right.
what it is?
5.5.
5.5. So distance from this will be equidistance from here, no? So it
5.5.
is 5.5. So as of now it is x is equal to half. So if you go 5.5 below, then isn't this is minus 5 only? So 0.5
Yeah.
is here, then 5 unit below, no?
Huh.
Understand?
And I didn't understand that C is an integer wala.
What you didn't understand?
Part B is C belongs to integers.
Part B, अभी तो कुछ given that the quadratic equation in this format, ठीक है? And fine, like
So what
z
does
means
C?
integer. So you have to like write into the factor from x plus 5,
What is the
x minus
symbol?
6, a
Yeah,
is
it
equal to
means C
y.
belongs to integers. Like C is an integer.
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है? Now what do you want? A and B. B and C. First A, they are anyway they're saying A is minus 1, no? See, coefficient of x square is what?
Yeah.
Minus 1. So this is minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. If you open it up, you'll get x square minus x minus 30. ठीक है? So minus x square plus x plus 30 is y.
So yeah, C is okay.
हाँ
So it's 1 and 30. B is 1, C is 30.
हाँ
ठीक.
ये सेम क्वेश्चन है ठीक है सो डैम गुड ये वर्कशीट हो गया
The 5.
ये तो फिर भी कर दिया मैंने 5 वाला बहुत.
विच वन 5
Next, no, the
Yeah.
next worksheet.
5 वाला तो बहुत डेंजरस मैंने खुद ही बनाया है मैंने बनाया
मैंने थोड़े बहुत कर दिए थोड़े बहुत नहीं हुआ.
Find the values of A such that the minimum
equals to
value of
5.
f is equal to 5.
That means upward
एक मिनट
parabola.
रुक जा अभी इसको बहुत अच्छे से करते find the value of A such that the minimum value of f of x is 5. So
Y.
see, अगर मैं रखूं इसको so x square minus 4ax if I write this way 4ax plus 3a square isn't this is my y.
Yeah. So
Okay, find the
5
value
equals
of
to
a such that the minimum value of f of x is 5. Minimum value means it is opening upward parabola. So minimum value always happens at the vertex. Okay?
equals
So
to 5.
x coordinate of the vertex is what? Minus b over 2a. So this is 1, no? And a as a y is equal to minus plus 4a over 2, no? So 2a. Okay.
Okay, so
So
5 is equal
this
to
x
2.
value is 2a. So if you plug in 2a, whatever y value is, that is the minimum y value. Agree? So if you plug in this into the original equation, what will you get? 4a square. Here you write 2a, then minus 8a square plus 3a square. Agree? What is this add up to? Minus 4a square plus 3a square.
So minus a square.
So minus a square, and that is 5. So is there any a value? No.
So the equation, the entire question is wrong.
There can't be any minimum value. For this situation, you won't find
There
out.
can't be any real solutions.
Matlab, the minimum cannot be 5. That means this. So you can write here minimum cannot be.
No, but I thought that you said like function x equals to y.
I did see beta. What did I do here? So see, my x value at that point was 2a. Agree? So I have to substitute this any point in any parabola, any curve, if you want to get corresponding y value, because this x value would give me the minimum y value. Okay, so I substituted, I got this, and that has to be -5, which is not the case. It can't be.
It'd be -5, which is not
Huh?
possible.
Which it
No,
will
but
be
then why did I
a square is equal to
minimum?
-5. So a is equal to √5 plus minus, which is a is equal to complex number में it is 5i √5i, which is not, we don't have to.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
But
तो हाँ.
uh, they have written that the minimum value of f of x is equal to
5. So क्वेश्चन में
5.
ऑप्शन आएगा कि मतलब मिनिमम कैन नॉट बी 5 या मिनिमम इज 4, ए वैल्यू इज 4, ऐसे लिखेगा ए इज इक्वल टू 4, ए इज इक्वल टू 5, ऐसे कुछ
But
लिख के
it's
आएगा.
minus
देन
5,
ये
no?
भी आएगा मिनिमम कैन नॉट बी 5 ना. तो
But
मिनिमम
is
कैन
the
नॉट बी.
minimum -5?
हाँ बेटा.
Is the minimum -5?
नहीं, माइनस ए स्क्वायर इज 5 ना. ए स्क्वायर इज -5.
Ah,
तो
The
ए
square root of
प्लस माइनस
minus
रूट
5 will
माइनस
become.
a
5.
equal to square root of
Yeah.
-5 with 2. Okay.
ठीक है. ये वाला
सेकंड वाला, थर्ड वाला?
सेकंड वाला.
सेकंड वाला मुझे आया था कि all values of k are possible, क्योंकि
देखो
ये मतलब
उसने बोला रेंज ये
correct हो
है,
जाता है.
रेंज वर्टेक्स के रेंज, ये सेम सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. अगर तू एक्स यहाँ पे रखे तो -b और 2a आता है. सो
तो
-2a
इसका
और 2.
इवन इजियर फॉर्म है, मतलब क्योंकि एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2kx प्लस के स्क्वायर बेसिकली इज एक्स प्लस के द होल स्क्वायर. तो एक्स प्लस के द होल स्क्वायर -3 हो जाएगा, तो ये
हाँ, तो
वर्टेक्स
इट
फॉर्म हो
कैन बी
गया.
एनीथिंग. व्हाट यू सेइंग
वो
दैट इज
और भी
आल्सो
इजियर है.
राइट. परफेक्टली यू कैन चेंज
हाँ
इनटू कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर ना. 2kx प्लस
हाँ.
के स्क्वायर माइनस के स्क्वायर. ठीक है, प्लस के स्क्वायर -3. सो दिस वुड गिव यू व्हाट, x प्लस के
एक्स
होल
प्लस के.
स्क्वायर. So this cancel out -3. So
cancel
anyway,
out.
this is
हाँ
opening upward parabola with minimum -3. So irrespective what x
हाँ.
value put it. ठीक है. So k can be anything. ठीक है.
एग्जैक्टली. हाँ.
हाँ, so k can be any real number. Understand?
So how did you get to know that
Yeah.
it's an upward parabola?
Because coefficient of x square is 1, no? It is not minus or negative or
If
something.
coefficient is positive, then it's an upward, and coefficient is negative, then downward.
Then the third question, what they say, like they have x square minus 6x plus 8, the range is given to you. अच्छा, ठीक है. If you try to draw, can you change into completing square, or can you get the vertex of it? X is 3, na? You plug in 3 here, so
What
9
is t? What
रुक
is
गया.
t?
18 plus 8, 1, na? -1. So the value is like this.
वहां पे जूस ऑफिस में जहाँ पे वो एसी का वो रखा है ना जहाज,
हाँ.
वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा पानी भर गया है. ऊपर वाले का सेम ऐसा ही सीजन है, उसके वजह से पानी आ रहा है. तो पूजा वहां 8:30 बजे तक रुक सकती, इससे ज्यादा नहीं रुक सकती. तो
तो
हमें या फिर परम को भेजें या फिर मैं
वो क्या करेगी?
अरे वो कुछ नहीं करे, वहां प्लम्बर बुलाया है उसको, तो वो वहां पे बैठी है.
तो बना रहा है क्या?
और क्या बुलाया ना अभी बनाने के लिए. तो वो पूरा पानी, तो वो 8:30 बजे से ज्यादा नहीं बैठ सकती ना भाई.
अरे बोल दो, 10 बन जाए तो चली जाएगी.
मैं ऐसे कैसे बोलूं, वो लड़की है
तो
10 बजे
परम
तक.
को भेज दो.
हाँ, वही तो बोल रही हूँ कि
हाँ,
मैं
परम
परम
तो
को.
आप तो पैसे दे दो तो चले जाए. ठीक है, चिन्ह करो. ठीक. सो देखो T02, अभी नाउ दिस पॉइंट पे. हाँ, मेरे को बस क्लास 9 बजे खत्म होने से बाद ही चाहिए. मैं बाद में भी खा लूंगा, जब आएगा तब भी खा लूंगा. ठीक है. तो x वैल्यू हियर इज 3, या t वैल्यू इज हियर 3. x वैल्यू इज 3. एग्री? दे सेड x you have to take till 4 only. If you take 4, what y value will get here? Tell me.
If I take 4, 16 minus 16 plus 24 minus 6x.
So if you plug in here 4, this
You get
side
0.
value,
24 minus 24.
24 minus 6x is equal
Yeah.
to 4, no?
so
Yeah.
So you will get 0.
20 minus 6x
0,
is equal to 0.
0. So when x is 4, y is 0. Agree? They said
Yeah. Therefore, x is 0.
your range is 0 to 8.
Hmm.
ठीक है. तो your range is 0 to 8. So you start from 0 and go till 8 only. What t value means, what x value you can.
What's the other x-intercept?
नहीं नहीं, देखना. 8 तक जाना है तो 8 रेंज इधर से राइट साइड जाएगा ना. तो ये t इधर इधर होना चाहिए. किधर होना चाहिए? 4, t इधर होना चाहिए. ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो अब यहाँ से जाएगा 8 तभी आएगा ना. अगर इसके इस साइड जाएगा तो निगेटिव भी हो जाएगा ना. It won't be in between like 0 to 8. Agree?
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है, तो अब ये वाला जो वैल्यू है, व्हाट वी कैन डू इट, वी कैन प्लग इन लाइक y वैल्यू एज 8, वी कैन राइट इट 8 here ना. So then x value is 6. Agree?
हाँ
See na, if you write here this 8 cancel out, x is 0 or x is 6 ना, which will give 8 as y value.
मुझे पूरा क्वेश्चन
रुक जा, मैं समझाता हूँ, फिर से ड्रा करता हूँ. मेरा ये ग्राफ है,
ठीक है
और at that point I have x is 4,
ठीक
at
है
that point x is 8.
हाँ
ठीक है, and they
What?
said
Why?
you will
Why
take
is it?
x, like उल्टा लिखा था, 4 to
x
some
plus 4
t
इसलिए
value
because वो सबसे
such
max
that
था
y value जो रहे वो क्या रहे, 0 से 8 तक रहे.
हाँ
ठीक है, अब now you starting from 4, you cannot go left side of x value. If you go, then you get negative values. You have to get like y value 0 to 8. So अब
So you've
8
written
यहाँ पे,
that. You've. Oh.
एक मिनट,
What?
8 यहाँ पे है. सो 8 यहाँ पे डाल दोगे, अगर 8 वाई वैल्यू डाला ना यहाँ पे, सो इस इक्वेशन में डालोगे एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 8 था ना. सो अगर y वैल्यू 8 डाला, सो y वैल्यू 8 इज अ 2 पॉइंट व्हेन x इज 0 एंड
Sir,
is
why are
6.
you so certain that the graph will be like this, like the one you've made?
Because so if I have x square minus 6x plus 8 I had, ठीक है, I solved it, then x square, like you can factorize it to minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. So x minus 4, x minus 2. ठीक है, so one value is 4, one value is
टू
2. So this value is 4, this value is 2, this value is 4. Now you want y value of that to range from where to where? 0 to 4. 0 to 8, sorry.
80 था ना
So if I go below than this side, then it will be negative, no? So you start from here and go till some x value which will give y value 8, and that x value is 6. Agree? So,
3
so
and
this side
4
has to be 6, no?
3 हाँ 6 okay got it
ओके, इफ आई टेक देन 0 से 2 के बीच में भी सेम y वैल्यू विल गेट. ठीक है, और 4 से 6 के बीच में सेम y वैल्यू. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
No.
तो इसको थोड़ा जनरलाइज कर सकते हो
नहीं जनरलाइज कर सकते, मैं क्वेश्चन लेता हूँ उससे, जिस तरह से वो
प्रैक्टिस
और चाहिए मेरे बैग से ले ले, कभी कम ना पड़ जाए.
इतने भी कम.
नहीं, जाने के लिए वो टैक्सी बुक करेगा ना यहाँ से.
ऑटो से चला जाएगा.
अरे बहुत टाइम लगेगा उधर जाने में, इससे बहुत भीड़ रहता है इस टाइम. चल, अभी मैं एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ. दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 8 है. दिस इज माई इक्वेशन, या लाइक प्लस 8 है, नहीं नहीं माइनस 8 है. चल, ये 2 है. ठीक है, इफ माई एक्स इज मोर देन इक्वल टू माइनस 2, कैन यू फाइंड आउट रेंज? अंडरस्टूड क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई हैव गिवन?
सबसे लोएस्ट
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
रेंज
So,
ऑफ y ना
wait,
और रेंज हाँ range of y.
isn't x more than equal to
तो
minus 2 the
सी,
range?
पहली बात, नथिंग, x मोर देन इक्वल टू 2 मींस x you taking from 2 and going till infinity.
I
Understand?
understood. But the
So अभी
that
now
is only
you
the
tell
thing.
me, you tell me what to do.
y is greater than 0
But
if I
that is the
just
range.
plug in since minus 2 is the lowest value of x which means the value will keep increasing
No, we don't even need x is bigger than equal to minus 2. We can just solve it without that.
X is bigger than equal to minus to the range.
No, we have to find the range of y,
then
not x.
Range means range of y
yeah,
value.
yeah, yeah.
Agree?
Correct.
X you have given. So always try to imagine or draw the situations. If I want to draw this, I will see first this is opening downward parabola. Agree? This is opening upward parabola. So always try to get x coordinate of the vertex, which is x equal to 1.
so
So
1
x is
minus
equal
2
to 1.
minus 8
ठीक है?
minus 10 minus 1
Yeah, so we just do y equals to
हाँ. If you plug in here 1
minus
minus 2 into 1 minus 8.
yeah, y
1
equals to
minus 2 minus 8.
so 1
Okay, minus
10
9.
minus 9 so y will be minus 9
upward parabola.
When x is
Anything
1,
more
y
than equal to
minus 9
minus
will
1.
be downward
More than
is
equal to minus
opening upward parabola. When
Yeah.
it is something like x is 1, y is minus 9.
Yeah, upward parabola.
It will be something like this.
-9 if you take over here.
So this is -9.
So it's
Agree?
making necessary the bottom part.
हाँ वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना. What it was, x you starting from -2. Agree?
Hmm.
So where is the -2? So if you plug in here, -2 is this. Okay, if you plug in here
Minus
-2, so
zero.
4, no, it won't give you 0. 4 minus 4 minus 8. Okay?
4 plus 8, no?
हाँ तो you
So
get
zero
-1. -1 हुआ. अच्छा 0 हुआ. ठीक है. So when x is -2, y value is 0. This point. Now which side you going?
So gap.
No, yeah, which side you going? Right side, no?
Huh.
So range means collections of y values. So at that point, y value is what? 0.
0, huh?
So if you move ahead, y value decreases, no? Decreases to -9, no?
Yeah.
Then again you moving ahead, then y value is what? Increasing, no?
Increasing, huh?
And increasing to infinity.
Hmm.
So actually range of y value in this domain is y is in between -9 including to infinity, no?
So it can be below -9 also, no?
It can't be below minus because the opening upward parabola cannot have below -9, no?
Wait.
That's the vertex. That's the y value of the vertex.
Hello.
So it can't be below -9.
Yeah, so bigger than equal to -9.
Yeah.
1 minus 2.
But then can't we just put -2 in that equation and then just
See,
find
what did I do? First, see, whenever you want to find out domain for restricted range for restricted domain. So first, always to draw situations. Okay. If you draw situations of suppose my equation was x square minus 2x minus 8. This was y.
Wait, so I just have one question. Can you go up for like 1 sec? So can't we just put -2 in that equation and find y? Like y is equal to -2 square.
I'll do that.
So how do you find 1?
एक minute.
You just assume 1.
No, one is
No, so this was the equation. Agree?
अरे
If I want to
minus
draw,
b
then
upon 2 है.
so I want to draw it, then there are multiple ways of drawing it. First, let us factorize if you could factorize.
X minus 4x plus 2x minus 8.
So you can factor out x minus 4 plus 2x minus 4.
X plus 2x minus
So
4.
x minus 4, x
See, how
plus.
can you factor it like that?
You can do middle term splitting, no?
But middle term splitting, wouldn't that be 6x?
Oh, that's how you found the difference. Okay, got it.
Okay. So you can do this
Oh,
way,
okay.
or you can see. So then roots, you will get after equating this to 0. One root is what? 2.
Yeah.
Minus 2. Other root is what? 4. And
4.
coefficient of x square is positive. So it opens upward parabola.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and see, axis of symmetry is always into the average of the roots. Agree?
X equals to 1.
So x is equal to 1.
Yeah.
You can find out this, you can use minus b upon 2.
Formula
We can't, yeah, minus b
average
upon
of
2 is
Average
easy.
of roots is the formula. Or you, if you use minus b upon 2 also.
Yeah, why would we
Wait,
use
so
this?
on the roots, y is always equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
So here, average of the roots is x equal to 1. So to get y value at that point, you plug in x value into the original equation. What is x value at that point? 1, no? You plug in here 1, so 1 is square minus 2 into 1 minus 8. So 1 minus 2 minus 8, it is minus 9. So the y value here is 9, minus 9, agree? So that is the minimum y value of this parabola. You will
With -9.
minus 9. You can put any x value here, but the y value will never go below than minus 9. Okay. Now, what is question? Question is like if you take x more than equal to minus 2, what are the y values? No. Now you think here you moving which side? Right side now? We going right side here now. So this point y value is what?
-2.
-2.
No, 0.
0.
Yeah.
If you move
Sorry.
right side, what is the y? What are the y values?
Four.
Decreasing,
0.
It becomes
decreasing,
lower.
decreasing, decreasing. And it
Oh.
go below to minus 9.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, and then it
increasing,
increases.
increasing, increasing, and then it will go
There's
to
no
infinity.
definite answer. We'll just have to write the range.
Range. So in this from x here onwards, the y value fluctuate from minus 9 to up, no? So the
So
range of the
y
function
is more
set
than
up.
equal to.
So minus 9 equal to an infinity. Agree?
Yeah.
Because this keep going on up.
Or
But
Or can you just write y is more than equal to -9?
You can write y more than equal to -9. That means indirectly this also included. Agree?
Yeah.
And other way around is to like do these questions or to find out this question, you can take the average of x value and then put it here. Agree? Other question in the same, if I say, okay, I'm taking x less than equal to -2, what is the range? Tell me. What is the range when I take x less than -2?
X is less than -2.
So फिर the graph
Then
you
it
can
is y is
It's more than 0.
more than equal to 0. Yeah.
perfect. If I take x in between, like if I take y in between minus, so what I'm saying, x in between -2 to 4, then what would be the y? If I take x in between -2 to 4, what is the range of y values? Tell me.
-2 and 4, so it's the range
Oh,
of y values is
yeah,
-9
it's between -9 and 0.
You write here y
Y equals to, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
समझ में आया? So if I have x square, no, you understand that. If in the same question, if I say x in between -2 to 6, then what would be the range?
We'll have to find the value of x at 6.
You plug in -2, y is going to be 0. Agree?
Yeah.
Then you moving,
between
you
0 and
move,
16.
no, you moving right side, and when you have to put 6, when you put 6 here, you'll put 6 here as well, na?
So 2. So
Yeah.
2 and
8 to 8, na 16.
16.
But in when you move here to here, the minimum you go, so y will go -9 as the minimum
-9
and
and
maximum
16
as,
as the maximum. Yeah.
ठीक है? Okay. So perfect. You all understood that. I'm very happy. I just get थोड़ा और difficult questions.
The last question.
हाँ?
Last question था ना.
ये क्वेश्चन मैं अपने से बना लेता हूँ, मेरे पास क्वेश्चन तो मैं कैन लाइक आई एम वेरी स्मार्ट ऑफ मेकिंग क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो एक चीज मैं पूछता हूँ, लाइक आई एम आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन. इफ आई हैव लाइक x raised to 4 minus x square minus 2. अच्छा, I won't take that. First, I'll take थोड़ा easy question. I move ahead with the different थोड़ा concepts because that is also important. अभी ये ना करके मैं concept पे जाता हूँ. ये भी मेरे पास 45 मिनट्स है तो मैं थोड़े पढ़ा सकता. ठीक है. सो कैन यू सॉल्व x स्क्वायर लेस देन 4?
It's impossible.
क्यों?
1 or lower.
You means what does it mean? You just
0
put
or
x values. I didn't say integer. It can be anything, na?
So it's between 0 and 1. It's between 0 and 2, but it's not greater than equal to.
Oh.
Then no, it's
Wait,
-2 और 2 के बीच में.
हाँ,
But
अगर तू कोई वैल्यू रख which is in between -2 to +2, then that happens, na?
Yeah.
It's any value, yeah, between 0 and 2.
No, between -2 to +2.
Yeah.
So now how
so why
mathematically
-2
you
to
write?
+2?
Because you
Yeah,
see, na,
Acha,
-1 you write that
-2
holds true, na,
Because
-1 whole square less than.
Yeah, I understand.
Put it minus
So
2.
technically, if you draw y is equal to x square, you have seen y is equal to x square graph is like this. Agree?
Yes, now you write it.
Take a minute. Y is equal to x square. Now you have to see y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. ठीक है? So these are two x values. So one x value is here, -2. Other x value is 2.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Understand? So what are you to
हाँ.
what you have to get? You have
So
to like
vertex,
solve
I
it. Means x value such that this curve is below than that. So isn't in between -2 to
So
2.
wait, so the
Then
axis
only
of
this curve will
symmetry.
be below than this line.
हाँ.
So that is
हाँ, so
your
axis of
graphical
symmetry
solution.
is 0 ना.
Algebraic solutions में always you move left, you make the left side 0. So 4 less than 0. Agree? Second step is make the linear factor if you could do. You know x square minus 2 square less than 0. You can write x minus 2, x plus 2 less than 0. Agree? So then you locate the roots into the number line. So if this equal to 0 will give x equal to 2. This equal to 0 will give x equal to minus 2.
Minus 2.
It is opening upward parabola. Agree?
Yeah.
So you want negative y value. This means negative. So isn't x you have to take in between minus 2 to 2? Okay. What if this is here minus, then opening downward parabola? Then you take this side and this side.
So the max will be done between
So
these
the
two.
answer is in between that.
Yeah.
Okay. And I would tell you one thing. If I have ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, a positive, then x always belongs to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a.
That's always between the two solutions.
In between that, roots always will be, this is opening, this is like opening upward parabola and this is less than 0. Always in between. Take just like sometimes you get like random minus 5 less than 0. You can't factorize it. Agree? Then you have to, they ask you to solve it. So you always write in between minus plus 1 minus root of b square minus 4ac, so 21 over 2. So 1 plus square root of 21 over 2. Understand?
Yeah.
So आंख मूंद के you write that. What if you're more than 0? ax square plus bx plus c more than 0 and a more than 0. Agree? Opening upward parabola. In this case, roots always bigger than the bigger roots. Bigger root is this?
Yeah. Not always, but
Always, if the a is positive.
okay,
ठीक है?
positive.
And or, not and, or is smaller than the smaller root.
How will it be smaller than the smaller root?
So I'll show you. It is like you want that to be above. So if you draw graph is this, na? This is smaller root minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And this is larger root minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And you want things, the graph to be positive means above x-axis. So this is above x-axis, this is above x-axis. Solutions means what x value will take from this side and this side, na? That's what we did. X more than bigger root, x less than smaller root. Understand? So आँख मूंद के you can write it. Just like let us do 5 question. If I have x square minus x minus 3 more than 0, how will I write if I want to locate the roots? Let us see. One root is minus plus 1 minus square root of 13. Okay?
13
b square minus 4ac, no?
How can you do that?
Equals to 1 and minus
4ac.
4 times 3 times
12, no? 13,
Hmm.
no? Over 2. And this one is plus
So
1
11
plus root 13 by 2. So these two roots you know now. And what do you want?
You want the x value, like the intercept,
These are the x-intercept.
the y-intercept.
These are the y-intercept. Agree?
So
These are the x-intercept. Now you want more. So more means these, no? This side, this side. So x is bigger than the bigger root, no? And or x is less than the smaller root.
Which in that case it's limited, it's not infinite.
Okay?
So how is that possible? How can
Yeah.
x be less than the smaller root or
ठीक
bigger
है,
than
ये
the bigger root?
हाँ मतलब क्या है
That means
कि
x can be
see
anything.
like I'll tell you what does it means graphically. Means if you take like ये plus था, if you take any x value in this range and this range, then after substituting these x value, this full value will come positive. Understand?
So
Take the छोटा
if I
example, just like
okay,
you have
take
x minus 2, take थोड़ा सा इस type का, then you'll understand better. Suppose this, ठीक है? इसके हिसाब से x is bigger than 2 or x is smaller than minus 2. Agree? You can check it.
yeah,
Take any value which is less than minus 2. Suppose minus 3. Plug in here minus 3. So minus 3 minus 2, ठीक है? Minus 3 plus 2. This is what? Minus 5 into minus 1. What value is this? Plus 6.
plus
Plus 5.
5.
So which is positive? True.
Yeah.
But if you take more than 2, suppose 5 you take, that is also this positive, this positive. Okay? So it will be both side. Matlab right side also, left side also. That is why if you take these values or these value, it is going to be
So the only part that's not greater than 0 is the one that's below, that's actually between them.
yeah.
But if you take x as smaller than the smallest root or greater than the greatest root, x can basically be anything.
हाँ मतलब you can take any x value in this range, the y मतलब the product is always positive. Means this.
Okay.
You'll take like -4, suppose you take here -4, you'll take -4, -2 is what? -6. And then if you take here -4, then -2, 6, -6, -2 is what?
-6 -8.
-8.
Minus.
8.
Understand?
But that's still negative now.
हाँ. ठीक है? Done.
Yeah.
Now I'll move ahead with the other questions. If I have like, suppose, you tell me if I have x square minus x minus, suppose I'm taking -12 less than 0. Can you tell me how to solve it? First step is to get factors. So factors will x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 less than 0. So you factor out x from here, x minus 4, x, and then you factor out -3 here, no? Plus 3 here, so x minus 4 less than 0. Agree? So this you can take out. So x minus 4, x plus 3 less than 0. ठीक है, so if you locate the roots, this equal to 0 will give you 4. This equal to 0 will give you -3. Opening upward.
No, it's less than 0.
हाँ बेटा, less than 0, but this is opening upward parallel. Situation says if this is less than, the answer will be in between roots. The bigger root you write this side, smaller root you write this side, which is true. It is negative in between -3 to 4. Understand?
Yeah.
So what are the steps?
So-
First, हाँ बेटा.
Shouldn't x be more than 4 all the
If
time?
you take, in this case, if you take x more than 4 and plug in here, so that will give positive, but you want this to be negative. Just check, take x equal to 5. So 5 is square minus 5 minus 12. So 25 minus 5 minus 12. ठीक है. So
I was not doing
70.
it like that. But
हाँ.
like the final factors that we got.
70?
So if we
20?
the final factors that we got, if we take any value that's below
20 minus 12, ना?
20 minus 12.
हाँ. हाँ, what did you say?
oh right, okay.
Right? You understand?
Yeah.
ठीक है. So I can go through textbook, so because I understood how to teach. क्योंकि अभी तुम लोगों को you can't go that fast, थोड़ा slow जाना चाहिए. You tell me, like we'll work on few questions. Like let's do from sign diagram. What is the sign of y value here? Tell me. इसके इस side is what sign of y values?
इसके top side तो
इसके
positive.
right side
Positive.
positive. इसके left side
Negative.
negative. Sign of y value. And in this sign of y value, here negative,
Negative.
here plus, here
Positive.
plus, here plus, here negative, here negative. In this case, here plus, here negative, here
Negative,
plus, and that
That
left side negative. In this case,
So,
negative, negative, negative. Agree?
how do we make a parabola like the D1? Like what will be the equation for that?
Which one?
D.
D. D is not parabola. This is like cubic equation. If you have two terms, means cubic equation. If you have one term, just like suppose you want to write the equations of this parabola. So you know that is the factor form. You can write x is one factor, x minus one other factor. A is equal to y. Then you need one more point to get the a value. No. ठीक है. Same thing here. X minus x plus 2, x minus 5. Then you need one more value to get that. ठीक है. In this, tell me what to be done.
The cubic equation now. So it's in the left side it's plus.
We're talking about sign of y value. Here plus,
Plus,
here plus,
plus.
here plus, and then negative.
Yeah.
Okay, if I'm saying, okay, in this question, if I'm saying this is y value, solve y is more than 0, then what will you say?
That's 4 now, so it's less than 4.
क्यों?
Why
ये
is that
0
so?
तो नहीं include करेगा ना?
Y is less than 4 and greater than
You write
0.
minus infinity to -2. Agree?
Minus infinity to -2 and
Or -2 to
-4.
plus 4.
Plus 4, sorry.
Okay?
So what is U?
U means or.
Okay.
So the two is, if you write x into interval like minus infinity to minus 2 or x in between minus 2 to plus 4. ठीक है?
So next one, simultaneous equations. Huh?
हाँ. You understand that?
हाँ.
So if I want, look, let's do like दो तीन दिन इससे समझ में आ जाए बराबर, ये वाला पूरा करते. Can you tell me like Saurya, how will I get answer of that? Like answer of like this question, let us do this question which is given here. Sign diagram, how to draw sign diagram. Let us draw sign diagram of that. So always get the roots of this. How will you get roots? X square plus 3x
X.
minus
Huh,
2x
sorry.
minus
Yeah.
6. So x plus 3, x minus 2. So one root is 2, one root is minus 3. Opening upward parabola. So this was the graph of that parabola. Now sign
Yeah.
diagram means sign of y value. So here negative, here plus, here plus. Now
Yeah.
first question is solve for more than 0. So this graph more than 0 means positive in this side and this
Positive
side.
value.
And solve means get x value. So you write x more than 2 or x less than minus 3
X.
for first one.
Yeah.
Second one के लिए this difference is only equal to here. So you plug in here equal to both side. Okay. Third is less than 0.
So even for the second one, it says more than 0, no?
हाँ.
So then why are we doing
What more than 0?
for the first sorry, for the second question,
हाँ.
एक second. ये वाला question,
हम्म.
it says x is more than or equal to 0, no?
हाँ जी.
So in that we can find the y value where x is, sorry, we can find the value where x is, where y is more than 0 also, no?
हाँ.
Okay.
More than equal to 0 है ना वो.
हाँ, so it can be more than or equal to.
हाँ मतलब in answer you have to write equal to as well ना.
हाँ,
So just
yeah.
like you first step draw the sign diagram, first draw the graph. Graph you got the root minus 3 and 2 and you know opening upward, so this is your graph. Agree? Now sign diagram is here plus, here minus, here plus. This more than equal to 0 means plus or 0. Agree? So 0 is here and
Yeah.
So how
plus
will it be minus in the middle? The y value will be plus over there.
in the middle is, if upward
The
parabola
middle
then
is
it can be
the
negative, no? Here negative
uh,
and left side
so
right.
this answer will be
This answer will
lesser
be
than
x
equal
in
to minus
between
3.
minus 3 to 2, no?
Yeah.
And the other
Or
answer is you
equal
have
to
to put
or
equal
equal
to.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So how to solve the make, like just like this you want to solve it. How will you solve it? Make one side 0. So you always shift to the left side. So 9x square minus 12x plus 4 less than equal to 0. Second step is get the linear factor. So 36, 12, 6 into 6. No. 9x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 4 less than equal to 0. So you factor out 3x. So 3x minus 2. So minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 ठीक है is like 2x minus, ये क्या गड़बड़ कर दिया, I can't take minus 2, I can take common ना. So 3x minus 3x minus 2 ठीक है. So 3x minus 2, so 3x minus 2, agree?
3x minus 2 whole square है यार.
So this is 3x minus 2 whole square
So
less
both
than
sides
equal to.
3x
So this
minus
will never be negative. This will be maximum 0. This
हाँ,
is your,
because
you
it's a
can't
square.
solve it. You just write x equal to 3 by 2, 2 by 3 only, no?
2 by 3 को लिखो.
If 2 by 3 अगर रखोगे, 2 by
हाँ,
3 then
because
it becomes 0.
it's squared, no?
If any other value will take, it will be positive, not negative, no?
But to
हाँ.
get a square of as 0,
हाँ तो it
don't
can be
we-
minimum 0, no? It won't be below than 0, no? Because any
but
x
then
value you
shouldn't,
put this is getting square, no?
but sir, how can you get anything squared as 0?
It can be 0 if you plug in here 3 by 2, 3 into 3 by 2, 2 by 3 minus 2. So this cancel out 2 minus 2 whole square is 0, no? It minimum can be 0. It can't be below than that, because when you square any negative number, that become positive, no? So this is less than 0, means 0 or negative. So negative is not possible, only 0 is possible. Okay? Done.
Okay.
See, now these kind of question, when you have rational functions, so see what you have to do. Whenever you have rational functions, you always move the left side to right side. You don't have like both side of equalities. Just like
Always
this
move it
move.
to the left side and solve it. Then simplify.
Now then write into single fraction. Single fraction means take LCM. So you'll get this.
Yeah.
Now see, you take always this factor up.
Yeah.
You could just
Okay.
multiply both
I'll
sides
tell
by
you
this
why,
and
because
get rid of
if
it.
this you multiply x minus 4, x minus 4. You cannot cross multiply directly, because if you cross multiply, this may be negative, then sign you have to flip. Okay. If you just multiply same thing this side, then it may be negative, so you have to flip the sign. Okay. So x minus 4, 2x plus 6 less
So
than.
here, what if we make the x minus 4 go on the other side, so it will be multiplied by 0? Can we make, so this is like a normal equation, so can we make x minus 4 go to the other side, so it will be multiplied by 0?
जी देखो, इसमें से क्या तू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इधर कर दे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकता, तुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, तुझे x माइनस 4 इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर, x माइनस 4 इधर मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है? सो अगर तू डायरेक्टली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, मान लो x का वैल्यू यू हैव -3, सो दिस विल कम नेगेटिव. इफ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नेगेटिव, यू हैव टू फ्लिप द इनइक्वालिटी. So if you're not sure about the sign of the denominator, you cannot cross
So,
multiply.
but if you cross multiply and eventually find the result, and then according to what you got for x, you can switch now.
You can't do that. So you always,
No,
to be safer side, you just do that, na.
So why would we do like x minus 4? Why not? Okay, fine.
So we can find 2x
Because
plus
negative
x
into negative is positive, no?
Then only one value, you're not considering this factor only. See what technically you saying, what logically you saying, the ratio of 1 is plus 1 is negative, then ratio is negative, agree? Or you saying this negative, this plus, no? So then the ratio is negative. You, this factor you only eliminating only. So this factor is negative, is strictly you saying this has to be negative. Okay, you're not considering this factor. If this is also negative, then both will give positive, no? Understand? So whenever you have factor in denominator, you always take up and then do.
Okay.
So you just don't care about, just write into single fraction, this factor take up and then do the same way we did in the previous questions. So what I'm trying to say, if you want to solve x minus 2 or x plus 2 more than 0, you want to solve x plus 2 or x minus 2 more than 0, you want to solve x minus 2, x plus 2 more than 0, all the answers going to be same.
Okay.
Why? Because if you want to multiply here 2x plus 2,
Then
agree?
the bottom part
Then x
multiplied by
plus
0.
2, x minus 2. Now this goes cross multiplied, because this is square is always positive. So you can eliminate it, no? So this more than
But
0.
sir,
This should give you. Bol na.
can both signs be negative?
See, here you want positive, so both can be negative. So you see, if you take this factor negative, if this negative and this negative multiply, would give same answer, agree? But if you eliminate this, then you considering only this negative, not considering this, no? So then answer will not come right. So always ratios sign or multiplication sign is always same. So if some factor which is coming in denominator, you can take it up in numerator and then draw the sign diagram. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. These three questions, one question, two question, three question, all three questions are same.
So,
Hmm.
can't we just do this orally? So x minus 2 upon x plus 2 is bigger than 0. So,
Yeah.
so basically we'll say that x is either smaller than x is either smaller than -2 or bigger than +2. That will be the value.
ऐसा नहीं.
How? So see, if it's more than +2, then we'll always get a positive value. If it's less than -2, then also we'll always get a positive value.
That's what the answer we have to get. Now I'm telling you, after doing that, these factor taking in numerator, we can solve it the way you used to solve. Now, so now the rest portion is what? This is 2, this one is -2, agree? Upward parabola. So this plus and this minus. So x is more than 2, Rx less than minus p.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
So that's what, but these like this can be written in any four different ways. You can write x minus 2 or x plus 2 more than 0. You can write x plus 2, x minus 2 more than 0. You can write x minus 2, x plus 2 more than 0. You can write x plus 2, x minus 2, 1 upon more than 0. Agree? So all will give you same answer. Because we multiply here, we dividing two same factors. With multiplication sign is always will be positive or negative the same way when you multiply. Okay, when you divide. So these fours will give you same answer. Okay. So if I have x square Ritvik, if I have 2x plus 6, can you prove that this is always positive?
Because if you factorize it,
You can't factorize it.
I'll use the formula to get the
What formula?
the quadratic
Quadratic
get
formula.
the roots. Once I
But
get
you
the
will
roots,
not get root, I'm telling you. Because this is like this does not have real roots.
But then can't you just use like completing squares?
yes, sir. But it doesn't have real
Yeah.
roots. How will you complete the square?
Does not complete this square, you can do it. Whenever you have to prove always, you only told me abhi the questions ki, see, if this is x square plus 2x, if half of this will take, then it is 1 square. Agree? Minus 1 square plus 6. Out of
Yeah.
that, if you these three will take, then isn't this is x plus 1 whole square? This one is what? Plus 5.
Plus
Okay.
5, yeah.
Okay. Now square will ever
So
be
why
negative.
plus 5?
No.
Sir, a second. Why plus 5?
I will also never
Because,
be.
Because
okay, fine.
this
Minus 1 plus 6.
You have minus 1 square plus 6. So minus 1, 1 and plus 6. So this is minus 1 plus 6, no? So 5.
It is 5, yeah.
So 5.
So
So
5
this
plus 5 is 1.
this you can write this statement because the square will never be negative. So we add something on the positive, then will always be remaining positive. Okay, so whenever
Yeah.
sometimes you need it, if I say what is the minimum value of this, then you change into completing square and tell. Okay? So you understanding, I'm damn happy. This is happening. Okay?
So
So
completing the square का generalization करो.
मैं अभी करता हूँ, रुक जाओ, पहले ये वाला क्वेश्चन करा दो, मेरे को और एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ाना था. If I want to do this, how will I do this? So can I factorize numerator? What is the numerator factorize? Since x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12.
So if you take
X plus 4
and
x minus 3 over x minus 1.
you multiply it again.
ठीक है?
So you can multiply x plus minus 1 and
So
then in the roots, no?
minus root minus 5 is not a real root, right?
Root minus 5 is not a real root.
No, it's not.
So, okay, yeah, that's what came for the
Now this
last question.
that is greater than
Look, what did we like see? I'm saying this was the question solve.
you have to draw a sign diagram.
No. I'm saying, chal, I just add the questions, solve this.
Acha, no. Okay.
So what will do? What did I say? If this is written in single factor, then take this factor
Take it
out.
up.
So x minus 1, x plus 4, x minus 3 more than 0. Agree? Now, after you just locate the roots into the number line.
So why do you
This-
remove the denominator? No. Why do
See,
you
why
remove
did
the
we remove? We discussed now you have to take this factor up. So you do one thing, you multiply same thing up and down. Agree?
Yeah, so like down there will be
Square.
x square.
And
Yeah.
square can be cross multiplied because this is always positive. So if you're sure about the sign of it, you can cross multiply. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. So if it was not a square, you're not sure about sign. It can be negative also for different x values. But if square, then it what value you put it, that will be always positive. So now I'll locate the root. This equal to 0 will give what? 2. This equal to 0 will give what? 3. This equal to 0 will give what? Minus 4. So now see,
So
did
it's
you?
between minus
No.
4 to
Listen to me very carefully after that what I'm saying. So highest powers coefficient is what? Positive. So highest pause coefficient is positive, then rightmost side is always going to be plus. Okay? Understand? After every root, sign of the y value flips. So what is sign of y value here? Minus. You get again root, sign flips, plus. You got again root, sign flips, minus. What are you looking for? Positive. Where it is positive?
Between -4 and 2 and
X
greater
is
than
equal to -4 and 2.
or greater
You were
Or
talking
x
about?
greater than 3.
Is this the cubic thing you were talking about? Because it's going like
It's the cubic
more than
thing.
one.
Yeah, that's what's cubic.
That was cubic, no?
Yeah. So it goes like up and then down and then up again.
So if you try to graph, it is like this cubic function is like this, no?
Yeah.
These are the roots. So highest power is positive means rightmost side is plus. If highest power is negative, then rightmost side is left. Like this, go like that. Understand? So let's take 2, 3 more questions like that. If I have x square minus 4 times x plus 7 more than 0, how will you solve that?
First again.
X plus 4 into x minus 4 into x plus 7.
I'm forced to express that one.
This equal to
Yeah.
0 will give what?
Yeah. What? Yeah, it will be the three values will be
2 and minus 2. Agree?
yeah.
This one will give x minus 2 one factor,
And
x
also
plus 2
minus
another
7.
factor, and x plus 7 factor was from before.
Yeah.
Okay. Out of that, like, see, I located root 1, root 2, root. The other root is negative 7. Negative minus 7. Now, fact is like sign diagram now. So, since coefficient of x cube, which is highest power, is positive, rightmost side is going to be positive. So, it will go something like this. Now, what we looking for? Plus. Where it is plus? This side and in between. So answer is going to be x in between -7 to -2 or x more than 2. ठीक है? So your x square minus 4. Okay?
So this type is like oral sums only.
हाँ नहीं अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस अभी इसमें बनेंगे more than 0. So how many integral solutions? Less than 0, sorry.
What?
How many integral solutions? मतलब कितने integer value होंगे which satisfies that?
So x minus 2.
Now this will be 4.
2, x minus 3, x plus 3.
तो पहले तो रूट लोकेट कर पूरा. अगर रूट लोकेट किया तो व्हाट दैट विल बी
minus 3 minus 2 2
2
3
3
So
minus 2 minus
3 minus 2 minus
So positive, negative, positive,
plus
negative, positive.
minus plus minus plus. We looking for इसके लिए integral integer value which satisfies that. So see this is negative now. So you looking for negative. So here what integer you have?
between -3 and -2.
There is no integer.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So -2 will always give positive.
No, there is no integer. Now, because you don't have to take, I didn't put equal to. If I put equal to, then you can take -3 and -2.
And also 2 and 3.
So it's none. 0.
So there is no integral value which satisfies that. Understand?
Wait, so in that case, then any equation, whatever quadratic, whatever comes, as long as the difference between the roots is not more than 1, it's always going to be 0 integer solutions, no?
Not necessarily. Depends on like if I increase the numbers here, then that will happen. Now. So it's just like I take x square minus 16. ठीक है? X square minus, suppose I'll take 100. And then I'll say less than 0. Now I'll say integral solution. Then if this is AMC question, they won't take this. They'll take this now. So now they'll take one more 0. And then they'll ask you how many integral solutions are there.
So x minus 100, x plus
minus 100.
So
minus 100
and 100
is
are
400.
1 is 4, other one is
100.
minus 4,
One is minus
then is
100 and
100,
and
then
minus.
minus 100. So
Plus
अभी अभी एक चीज बताओ, ठीक है,
so is
इसके
the answer
लाइक प्लस
190?
बेटा रुक जा, प्लस माइनस, ठीक है, प्लस माइनस प्लस, ठीक है. Now what we looking for in between negative? How many negative integers are there in between?
95.
95 and
Are you
90.
sure?
Yes.
How do you?
100 minus 4 minus 1.
No. These
You
you
said
don't have to
minus 4?
take. So this minus 99 will be solutions. Agree?
So
But
that's
Then
minus
it will be
listen, well, listen
94.
to me carefully. Let's do it now. This minus 5 is the solutions.
No.
So how many integrals are there in between minus 99 to minus 5?
94.
Always do higher value minus lower value plus 1. Agree?
100 minus 5 is 95, sir.
So 95 ना,
वही तो बोला था सर.
ठीक है? In this the same ना?
Yeah.
So
So
95
190.
into,
Yeah.
so 190 integral solutions you have in between. Yeah, damn good question, na? Okay. So if I have x square plus 6 plus 5, then I have x square minus 1, 2, 3, 4, ठीक है, less than 0. How many integral solutions you have?
Wait, first you can factorize, no?
तो उसके
No, the
4x
first
minus
one you
5x.
can't factorize.
अरे sure वापस.
No, you can't, right? Because
No.
now
That
have
won't
to
help
use
you.
the-
See,
we need to find factors. क्योंकि नहीं होगा. We need to find first complete the square now so that we get all the roots for that
yeah,
one.
yeah.
We can say 100 minus 100, 100.
Mhm.
चलो roots निकालते हैं.
Got it?
I'm solving for the roots. How do I complete the squares for this one? So,
Mhm.
can you help me completing the squares?
That will not, this is I wanted to tell some concepts on that. Okay. The concept is first. Concept in this case, this is always positive. There won't be any, that if something is always positive, will not play any role in the.
So it's all
You
plus.
change, no, not plus. You change, just let's like take into, just change into completing square. So you'll get x square plus x plus half whole square minus half whole square plus 5. Agree? This will be x plus half whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 5. Agree? So x plus half whole square plus, this would give what? 19 over 4.
So is it 199?
So this will not
Negative.
be playing any role into the solving of the inequality, because this is anyway when any x value put, it will never be zero. It will does not have any roots. So and here there are two. Agree. So if you start from here,
So
okay,
say 199.
one is 100, other is minus 100. So integers in between this, so always subtract and add plus 1. So 100, no, you start with the 99, na? And minus 99 to plus 99. Agree? So you write 99 minus plus 99 plus 1. So 199 is the answer.
Yes, sir. I said 199.
Understand? ठीक है. सो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं थोड़े इसमें से एक कुछ एक्सरसाइज लेट अस डू टुगेदर. किधर समझ में आया, कितना नहीं आया.
एक रैंडम क्वेश्चन.
नहीं, हाँ बोलना. रैंडम क्वेश्चन नहीं, पूरे क्वेश्चन ही जस्ट गो थ्रू ना, डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. दिस इज फाइन. फ्रॉम हियर थर्ड से नीचे तक एक एक पार्ट. what we will do the first इसका, you move one side and then like anyway this is linear, you have to make a subject ना. How will you solve this? चल equal to more than
Sign
three.
diagram.
Sign diagram how will you draw?
Sign diagram पे we just circle
No,
mark the roots.
this be careful. This equal to 0 will be minus 9, this equal to 0 will be 0. Agree? Opening downward parabola. ठीक है.
Downward हाँ, because minus is x not.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, तो minus plus minus.
So this side is right side is what?
Plus.
Plus. Left side is.
Sorry, minus.
So see, how will you say if you don't want to like go to the method, then how will you find out sign of any value? Then after root, you have to change the sign. You plug in any x value except root. Suppose you put 1 here. So minus 1, 1 plus 9. What will give you minus 1 into 10? Isn't minus
Yeah.
10? So when x is 1,
Yeah.
y is minus 10.
So it's negative.
So it's negative. So after
So
root
that we
sign
can
get
make
flipped.
a diagram.
ठीक है. So don't have to worry about that. Anyway, negative, this x square negative, then opening downward parabola. ठीक है. So what I'll do, I'll take गंदा क्वेश्चन 10 15 20 इनइक्वालिटी का, और one more worksheet on like in this I'll give when we're meeting next
Wednesday.
next Wednesday. अच्छा, let's go to little slow because I wanted to do Sunday, but next Sunday we'll do that.
Sunday भी कर लेंगे.
तो एक हम वर्कशॉप पे थोड़े और हो जाए, ये खत्म हो जाए, then we'll keep workshop. This खत्म हो जाए, this खत्म हो जाए, then I'll take IO QM और MCQ questions, then we'll do in workshop properly. Like sir, I have something like here. This reducible to quadratic. This also I want to teach. So I want to do this investigation also. I just created by myself some investigation that I created. This is really good.
What's the derivation? Oh.
This like what is the meaning of each and every parameter? If you increase, how the graph will look like. ठीक है. This I created. That I'll do also. So next class I will do 30 minutes this, 30-minute doubt solving, 30-minute this, and inequality I solve, then sum and product of root do. Then we can have a workshop for like full 500 pages. 500 नहीं, 100 pages. There will include IOQ question also, which you can do right now. Not difficult one. And then we'll do transformation, will take one class, and then function property will take a lot of, polynomial will take MC तक का. Now I think it's making sense now. No? Yatharth, you understanding, no?
Yeah.
Any problem anyone has can tell me. I can Zoom separately. I don't have problem. I can ask my other teacher to Zoom. But you have to understand. Moving forward, if you won't understand, then it will be a lot of problem for you. Because if you understand this, then how will you apply? And try to write as much as you can. Don't look into the answer only. That increases your speed if you start writing it. ठीक है? चलो bye. I'm going. I'll send the worksheets and I'll add the kids which are not in that group. ठीक है? Bye.